Hello Internet, I'm your only mate, and it's time for another episode of Death Battle. This time we have Black Canary from DC versus Sindel from Mortal Kombat. Not gonna lie, I almost forgot what it was for a second there. As I should say, with all my reaction videos, especially to Rooster Teeth content, please click the link in the description below to go watch the actual episode on Rooster Teeth's website. Anything Rooster Teeth related, watch it there first, whether it be Death Battle, Ruby, Red vs. Blue, Camp, whatever it may be. Best way to support any Rooster Teeth show that you like, go there, watch it first, sign up for first membership if you can. All that stuff, then come back to watch this. Support the official release. Okay, so I still can't believe I almost forgot the name of the freaking episode. However, that might actually be kind of appropriate because I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been that excited for this episode. And it's partly because, well, I'm just not really into this. Like, should I look, get out of the way. Because as you might know, like, I usually just know, like, Marvel or DC characters via their movies. I haven't seen Black Canary in anything. The one thing I know about her is that she got hitched to Green Arrow. Well, that and Screams. And I'm also just really not into Mortal Kombat. Like, I tried playing it once. It just wasn't for me. Like, I don't really know how else to explain it, really. So, yeah, this really isn't a matchup for me. And long-time viewers might be thinking, but if you're really not into Mortal Kombat and don't really care about it, why did you request Sub-Zero vs. Glacius a lot? That was because it was a friend's most wanted fight, and I requested it in hopes that my friend got the matchup he wanted. So, yeah. Well, either that, or if I just know it's like a super common request, or think, yeah, based on what I know, the fight would be pretty cool. That's about it. Yeah, I'm also just trying to stall because I'm just waiting for the episode to come out. Also, a little heads up, I woke up not feeling so great today. Like, my nose is kind of fucked. So, if I start, like, sniffing or sneezing a whole bunch, then, that's probably why. But, hey, I still feel well enough to record and, whatnot, so I'm doing it. Anyway, the episode is out. I'm going to shut the hell up and hit play. Oh yeah, here come the new looks again.
It's a
Jesus!
We're all familiar with the damsel in distress crying for help. Yeah, Wiz, don't think that's the case here, because these two are the opposite. If you ever hear their cry, you're dead.
Those freaking teeth.
The blonde bare-knuckle brawler of DC Comics. And Sindel, the literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat. He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick. And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out...
I'm still really not into the new looks. It's mostly Boomstick's mouth, if anything.
Behold, the Justice Society of America. The first recorded team of superheroes in the
Oh, I did hear at one point, apparently Black Canary's scream, like, made Superman's ears bleed.
And among these men,
just based on that alone, I'm putting my money on her at the moment.
Black Canary.
I don't really have anything else.
Canaries don't know judo? Or do they? However, this is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today. See, the Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right, but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance. Dinah wanted to be a crime fighter just like her mom, so she trained with Wildcat, the furry boxer I mentioned earlier. Her mother wasn't very happy about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry. So
basically, this episode is Rip headphone
See,
users.
Dinah possessed the meta gene.
Well, I'm screwed
Normal
then.
slice of genetic code present in about 12% of humanity, granting superhuman abilities.
Yeah, Wizard did it.
Isn't that just X-Men?
Power and martial arts training, Dinah took up her mother's mantle.
Okay, DC
Hey,
Mutants, I guess.
Black Canary, the second one. Is it weird that her mom was also named Dinah? They're really forming a dynasty.
Fun fact, originally she disguised herself
That's
by donning
odd.
a blonde wig, but eventually just dyed it permanently.
Blonde? Don't you mean...
Fair enough, less hassle.
Regardless, the canary cry
I've made that pun before.
by emitting focused ultrasonic sound, Dinah can
With
annihilate
different things, but
eardrums
whatever.
of anyone nearby.
Or just ramp up the volume and blow people away with shockwaves. She can even stop a runaway train.
It's quite versatile too. She can focus
Damn.
her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire cities.
And by
Jesus.
hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly. How the hell does that
Huh.
shit work?
Let's dig into this for a bit.
Because
For a sound
F you
wave to
physics.
become a shockwave, it must possess an intensity of at least 194 decibels. For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
That's the same level
Well.
of bulls as a volcano erupting.
All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry.
That's
Oh.
why she's got some nifty ultrasonic canary bombs that do the super shouting for her.
Not to say
Oh,
she's
fair enough.
useless without her superpower, of course.
She's one of comics' greatest ass kickers.
Thanks to Wildcat and her mother, Dinah has trained in jujitsu, karate, Krav Maga, capoeira, and many, many more styles of martial arts. She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and even how to cause
Jeez.
instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster.
She's
Why do I get the feeling...
basically blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro
Yeah.
and Pride from Kill Bill. Also,
Why do I feel like the heart explosion thing is gonna be the kill?
want to see a judo canary in action. And what better opponent than our very own Mega Goose?
Oh my god.
Did you teach it?
They brought that back.
So, turns out they don't know judo. Where was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
Even with all that, Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny
Okay,
ability
then.
to learn and adapt mid-fight. It's what makes her
I feel like
so
somewhere out there someone's gonna make the Ruby
martial arts
reference.
masters
Buddy,
like
no.
Wonder Woman. It was during a fight with her, in fact, that Black Canary claimed she could perceive time down to the nanosecond.
Sounds crazy, right? But
Okay, if she can fight on par with Wonder Woman, she's definitely
Wonder
won.
Woman. Or how about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses, but Dinah said F that and stabbed it hundreds of times super fast. She found its
Fair enough.
Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
That's right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind, Dinah does not
Yeah,
take
she's definitely won.
speed or strength.
But I wouldn't be
Like,
surprised if she
based on what I know of
trained
Mortal
some
Kombat characters
soldiers
just from
at
previous
some
death
point,
battles.
and they can outmuscle superhumans and smash
Yeah.
clumsy wood.
Given the yield strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must have exerted a force of around 27 tons.
The gal survived
Jesus.
a fall into the ocean from 1,000 feet, and even her own canary cry reflected back at her.
It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves.
Can't say the
Oh,
same
well, that's
for
handy.
Robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy android with the combined powers of the entire Justice League, he sure could have packed some aspirin.
She may be stubborn and
Huh.
hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with. She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point took charge of the Justice
Oh, so
the
she's...
spiritual
Wait, is she in that
successor to
movie? Yeah,
original
don't...
Justice
Eh.
Society.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow. They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver. If you know what I mean. They
Of
did
course.
sick.
Long story short, Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history. The realm
Alright,
of
now
Sindel
for
was a
Sindel.
paradise, a Garden of Eden.
Still feel pretty confident that Black Canary is gonna win.
Under the rule of King Jared and Queen Sindel, the realm prospered for millennia, until the arrival of Outworld conqueror Shao Kahn and the tournament of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat!
By decree of the Elder Gods, an invasion
Oh, he's still
force
singing in the
realm
background.
the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Unfortunately for Adenia, Khan dabbed on their asses and won Adenia for himself.
To legitimize his rule, Khan murdered Jared, married Sindel, and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive? Probably.
Needless to say, Cindy wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out she was a kung fu sorcerer. So, to avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target, Earthrealm. And it worked!
For a time. After
This is
10,000
weird.
years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic and terror.
She was back and ready to slay, and holy shit did she!
Sindel's Edenian physiology gives her superhuman strength, speed, and durability, allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants.
You better have said that with a K.
And despite being dead for the past 10,000
I don't get
years,
it, but alright.
she's somehow a master of two forms of Chinese
Alright,
food.
K.
Zhaoquan originates
I
from
guess.
northern China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Zhao Pai, also known as the Tiger Claw system, focuses on fast,
Fu Zhao
powerful
Pai.
strikes.
Sindel also wields a Quan Do. It's a glaive designed for long-range deflection and carving people up like a Thanksgiving
Banshee
turkey.
Scream. That's the thing I did in a video once.
She already has one. Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a tentacle, constrict opponents, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz, that's, kinda hot.
Oh? Would you still think so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate your body?
What a way to...
Jesus.
Okay, well, all that pales in
You
comparison
confused me,
to her
Boomstick.
signature ability, the Banshee Scream. This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs, and rend flesh. Her screaming
Jesus.
power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction called Star Screamers.
Oh, like that
Oh,
transformer that we
I
had
don't
in
need to
Bodhi.
see that.
No. Sindel once screamed with enough force to annihilate a large part of a canyon. This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake, comparable to nearly 500 tons of TNT exploding all at once.
With power like that, it's no wonder she was able to strut through Earthrealm's mightiest heroes, which include our old pal, Sub-Zero! What, I kept it as a souvenir.
Who, along with most of the series combatants, can shatter a block of pure diamond.
Boomstick, where did you get that?
A feat like this would require a pressure of at least 60 gigapascals.
Or is that the
That's over
old, like,
4,300
Sub-Zero?
tons of force per square inch.
And Cabal!
Yeah, say it's the
He
old one.
was fast enough to swap machine gun fire out
Where are
of
you
the
getting
air,
these skulls?
like the flies in Boomstick's bathroom.
Accurate.
Judging by the
Oh,
likely
God.
velocity and rate of fire, Cabal must have been reacting within 600ths of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets.
And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back. Too bad Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again. Man, this chick can't catch a break, though the zombie MILF thing's kind of working for her.
Well, that's only one possible timeline. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In another, it seems the
And then
killing of her
Raiden reset the
husband was
timeline
actually
and...
her plan all along.
Either way, we're talking
Oh.
about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually. But compared to the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent.
Pause. Alright. One moment. Okay, just had to sort something out. So after hearing that for both, yeah, my money's on Black Canary. Like, I'm sorry. I didn't really see anything that convinced me that Sindel is gonna win. Like, yeah, they brought up her keeping up with that guy who parried a whole bunch of bullets, but I'm gonna go ahead and say outspeeding a Green Lantern ring is a lot faster. Because if there's anything I've learned, those things are bullshit. Well, yeah, pretty much. Don't know how else to describe them. Yeah, it's just stuff like that, training from the Justice League, like, taking on a guy who had, like, all the Justice League's powers, if I remember right. Yeah, my money's on Black Canary. So, but just shut up and hit play.
All right,
The combatants are set, and we've run the data through all possibilities.
It's
There we are.
time for a death
I think I forgot to do that earlier in the video. Well, good luck sinking, future me.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets
Oh yeah, I saw this preview on Death Battle Cast like always. I'm not gonna lie, Sindel's face is a little weird. Or That's also a lot of hair. Also, Black Canary, you look like Carol Danvers, but it's a remodeled sprite, so yeah. Oh, never mind. And I believe that was a puny god move. Okay, wait, no. Okay, from this point on, it's 100% blind. Owie.
Let me sing you a lullaby.
She can resist that.
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Also, I don't think they said anything about Sindel being able to resist that stuff. So
are ring outs a thing here?
I'm guessing no.
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death.
Oh, that is kind of cool, actually.
Such a pretty
Ooh.
bird with such an ugly song. Tell me, can you fly?
I mean, technically, no. Gotcha, bitch! Okay, good save. Oh!
Fatality.
Okay, that was clever.
Looks like Sindel's head is blasting up again! Or, well, for the first time, technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious
You
one.
tried,
For the
Boomstick, you
most part,
tried.
Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger. But
Oh,
Canary
alright, fair
is
enough.
living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta. So I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times
Yeah.
faster. And with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was super peaceful before Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on
Fair
to the
enough.
comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry? We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels. In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235 decibels.
Oh.
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference
Right.
of only 65 decibels. That can't be all that different. Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
See, decibels are not like meters or minutes,
What?
which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10
I don't know what the hell that
decibels it
means.
is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels is 10 times greater than 20 decibels. 40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That
Huh.
means the Canary Cry would be...
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee Scream. Nearly 5
Fucking hell.
TNT.
awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano
Oh, shit.
blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles
Okay, I'm
away.
good.
Not
Thought I was gonna
something
sneeze there.
China has been shown to be capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
The winner.
Okay, I'll give you that one, Boomstick. Congrats, Black Canary. Alright, what's next? Please be characters I know. Alright, what is it? Oh, the Toes! Or is it just Leo? Oh! Wait, is it just... Wait, Leo versus Jason? Okay. Fair enough. Alright, so, I'm gonna be real, I enjoyed that episode more than I thought I would. Like, just based on the whole, like, not really being into these characters. But they certainly made it an entertaining episode, and that's one of the things that I really like about Death Battle. Even if you don't know the characters at all, there's still some enjoyment in it. Yeah, the animation was pretty good. Sindel looked a little weird in a couple shots. It's mostly like the close-up on the face at the beginning for me. But no, the rest of it was pretty solid. And, oof, that death. Like, admittedly, I did start to get a little worried when Black Canary was getting choked. And then, nope, fake out. With a little gotcha bitch moment. That's probably the thing I'm taking away from this the most. Next time is characters I do know. It's just one of them a bit more than the other, admittedly, yeah. Leonardo from the Ninja Turtles versus Jason from Power Rangers. I haven't really seen that request. I usually see people request, like, Leo versus Tommy. But again, we had Tommy last year, so... yeah. So... I'm actually trying to think of, based on what I know of them, like, who would ultimately win that. I kind of want to say... well, I mean, it depends for me right now, because if... like, are they going to allow Jason his Zord? And I don't see why they wouldn't, because it is part of his arsenal, and he can call it, like, whenever he wants. Like, just based on that alone, I kind of want to say Jason wins. But I don't know. I don't know. Plus, it's been, like, fucking ages since the Turtles have been in Death Battle. The Battle Royale and Leo versus Zitz, sorry. And, admittedly, the best knowledge I have for their feats is from, Shredder's Death Battle. And just, like, okay, because he's, like, their main enemy, they should logically, like, scale to him. I don't know, just based on that and what I remember from, the Rangers pass analysis. That'll be an interesting one. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna wrap this up before I start rambling. And, anyway, thanks for watching, all that stuff. And because I'm doing a new cycle of outros, and this is the second episode, is my Goku outro. Bye.
Hey guys, Goku here. You're watching Your Only Mate, and Your Only Mate is only good for the fact that at least he won't eat as much of your food. Catch you later!